Hi everyone. Today we are going to do lesson 6, which is explaining the first Java program. So we wrote a Java program in the last lesson. So we are going to explain that one by one. So if this is simpler than looking at the presentation, I would recommend to go to the HelloWorld program, which we did in lesson 5. The very first line is package com.handonqa.demo. This is we defined a package under which we created this file. So if you go right click show in System Explorer, you will see that a similar folder structure has been created in your C drive. So com.handonqa.demo. So this is hello world, and then in the source folder you have com hands-on. So what you are exactly doing, you are actually, and this is your file, so you can open any Java file in a notepad. So if you right click, if you don't have notepad plus it's gonna open in notepad. You can open your Java file, edit, save in notepad as well. Now this means you are organizing your files in a folder structure. And if this line is included, that means this whole file is under this package. Now then we come to line 5. Public means that public is an access modifier, and this means that this class is globally available, anybody can use it. Class is a keyword, so there are certain words in Java which has a special meaning to JVM. We cannot use these keywords the way we want. They have a special meaning to JVM. Now class is a keyword. If you want to declare a class, you use the keyword class. And if you see, all these are in purple color, which makes you believe that this is not a normal word. Hello World is the name of a class which we have given to this particular class. Now if you see, if I just change the name of this class to hello9 world, you will receive an error. So it says public type hello9 world must be defined in its own class, which means that this name of this file and the class inside it should be same. So if I roll it back and remove the 9, it will show no errors. So remember that the name of the file and the name of the class should be same. Now let's get into public static void main, which is line 17th. Public is again here, public is an access modifier for the method main. Static means that I can invoke this class without creating an object of that class. So JVM can invoke it without making an object. Void is a return type. Every function has a return type. Now void means that there is no return type. If I can change it to int, but if I change it to int, it's gonna say that this method should return something of type int. But since this method is not returning anything, I'm just gonna say void. Main is a name given to a function from where the execution starts. This is the starting point. So it is an identifier, and JVM tries to find this main method when you execute the program. Now if I change this name to, I can change it because it's I can make it a user defined function, and when I run it, it's gonna say main method not found. So every function, every class should have a main method if you want to execute that class. String args, these are called the arguments to the function main. Every function can take few arguments if there is some data needs to be worked upon in that function, so it takes that data as arguments. Now these arguments are basically used, you can always stay your cursor and it will show you what are these for. So these arguments are used if you are trying to run this program through command line, and that's where you use these arguments. System.out.println is used as it is if you want to print anything on the console. This we changed it to see if the printing on console is different or same. Now we can run this program from here, and once we run it, you will see that whatever is there in system.out.println, it just prints it there. So when we run this program, this is the starting point of this program, and then it just executes this line and prints it. The two other things which I have shown in this particular program is the use of comments. Comments are nothing but they are English words which you will write so that the program is understandable by anyone who doesn't even know Java. Now if I come back to this program, I know if I'll just read this, I will know what is this line for, or what is that logic for. So I have used single line comments and multiple line comments. If you want to write comments which is spanning across lines, you use this, and if you have a single line comment, you just used this. And if you see, the color of these comments have been changed to green, which means that the JVM will not execute these statements. It will just directly come on to this. It will not even touch of what you have written inside. So you can write whatever in these statements. So this is the explanation of the first Java program. Thank you. See you next time.